Hello, moneymakers. Have you seen these music ball videos? Or just this one? This is a new trend wherein people create these music balls videos and make good money on the internet. Take a look at this channel called Nathan Marble Music. They have gained over 700,000 subscribers by uploading these music balls videos, and this channel is monetized as well. Some of their popular videos have cruised 60 million mark, which is insane. This guy called Victor DeMartin has gained whopping 5 million subscribers, and some of his videos have crossed 400 million views. Just image the number, guys. Like this one video itself could have gained more than 100,000 subscribers. Trust me, this is the easiest niche to begin with. In this video, I will show you to create such videos with the help of the free app and achieve this level of success. Grab, get apple juice and watch this video till the end. Alright, first of all, to use this game on Android, you don't have to download it from any unsafe websites. It's now officially available in the Android Play Store. Open the Play Store and search for the Beat Bounce. As we can see, this is the same game, Beat Bounce Music Ball. Earlier, it was only available on iOS device, however, now it is available for Android as well. I would suggest to download it first, and I will show you step by step on how to use it. I already downloaded this game on my Android phone, so let's open it. If you are starting this app for the first time, you will have to complete a short tutorial, which will not take much of your time. After that, you have to finish one level to gain access to create your own levels of the game. Now open any of these levels and complete the level with good scores. Once you complete the level, click on the user levels, and you will land on this page. Here you will find a range of pre-made levels with different music that you can record and use in your videos. There are many options to choose in popular and new sections. Moreover, you can also create your own level with your own music as well. I will show you that part. But before that, let me show you how you can create a video using these pre-made music tracks and games. Let's choose one of these levels. I will go with a Believer song. Once you choose the music, you will head to the game page. Now you do not have to play a game to record the video, it will automatically play and you just need to record it. In the iOS version, you will get the option of autoplay as well. But in the Android, this option is not available. All you need to do is on the record mode. Choose mode. Choose resolution. If you have a pro account, you can record in 4K. Otherwise, you can record with 1080 resolution by watching ads. If you are serious about this videos, I will suggest get a pro account for good quality videos, or else you can continue with the free one, and once you gain some traction, you can switch to paid ones. I will select the 720 pixel option for the reference. Click on Start button to record the game. Once it is done, click on Save, and it will directly save into your mobile gallery. And there it is, you can see it will automatically save it into my gallery. And the audio and video quality is stunning. This is amazing. The resolution I choose for my video is 720. If you are going to create with Pro account, you can get the insane results. Alright, now, get back to the home page of this game. And now I will show you how you can create your own animation. And if you are serious about this niche, I will suggest to create your own animation and then upload it. This way you will create complete copyright-free content. First click on Level Editor button. Then you will get two options, create a new and or load sample. First, let's go with the sample given by them. I randomly choose one of this just to show the process. Now you will take to this page, where you can create your own animation. Now follow the steps as suggested. First, select the ball from these available option, then choose environment. Choose background style. There are so many options available. After that, choose bounce animation. Alright, and now start creating. Here, you will see 5 different buttons in the bottom part. Press next frame button to move the ball forward. Now click on next object button. Each time you click next object, it will automatically add a new object according to the music beat. You can change the direction of the ball by moving this object with your 2 fingers, like this. Now if you want to go back, click on the previous frame button, which is on the left side. Once you set the direction and want to see how it looks, go back at the starting point by pressing previous button and preview it. Then you can add different fillers between 2 beats too. Just go back and place the ball in exact position where you want to add an object. Then click the plus icon. Choose the filler which you want to add. I will choose tube. So as we can see that the filler is added, you can also make it bigger or smaller as per your requirement. If you click on this color palette, you will also get many options to choose the design of an object. Some of them are free and some are only for pro users only. Once you add the filler, click on Next Object, and it will add another object as per the music beat. This way, continue the process and add different types of fillers between them. At the starting, you will face some difficulty to create, but once you will be familiar with this, it will be very easy to create on this game. You can customize everything such as size, position, object, and colors. So use your creativity and create your own animation. Also add your watermark in the gameplay so no one will copy your video. Click on text, add your channel name and position it. Add it in a multiple place, add one in starting point, add one in middle of the game, and one in last part. So if someone removed the watermark from the first place, it will still be showing up on the other part of the video. Now I will show you how you can create music ball videos with your own music. Wait. If you want me to cover a specific topic for you, just add the name of the channel and some information in the comment section. I will pick your comment and create a dedicated video on that topic for you. Choose Create a New button. And here we need to import our music, but it needs to be in a MIDI file format only. So all you have to do, open your browser and search for the MP3 to MIDI converter. Open the tool which is free to use. Upload the music and hit convert. And that's it. This tool has created the MP3 file into the MIDI file format. Upload this MIDI file in your Google Drive folder. You can also take MIDI file from the option Give by BeatBounce app. Many options are available. You can also take it from here as well. Alright, click on Import and upload your MIDI file. Then enter creator name, song title, and artist name. Choose difficulty level and hit next. Your music will be added here. Preview it and hit save. And that's it. You will be headed to the editor page. Now create your own animation with the same step which I showed you before. Once you are done, click on publish. Open it and start on the recording option. Once it is done, it will automatically save it in your computer. Now you will get a watermark in the gameplay in the beginning part of the game. The watermark of this game will be added in all of your videos after you publish them. So if you want, you can edit the video as per your requirement in your editor. That's it, guys. This is how you create an attractive and relaxing music ball videos for free. I have one pro tip for you, as I promised you in the intro. There are many AI tools that can generate the music for you for free. You can use those tools to create a music and then use their MIDI file to create animated music ball videos. This will be completely copyright-free video for you. If you like this idea, comment down below. See you in the next one.